What if I told you that the 100 minutes you waste on random stuff can be used for making 100 bucks every day? But how is that possible? You might ask. Hold tight because this video is going to tell you all about it. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 different ways to make $100 in just 100 minutes. Just to put things in perspective, that's just an hour and 40 minutes of work every day, and you will be pocketing $1,000 every 10 days. Not a bad deal, eh? Just make sure you watch the video till the end because you definitely don't want to miss out on any of the 4 methods. Let's dive right in. Make money on Maven. So, the first method that can make you $100 is through the platform called Maven. Maven.co is a consultation service that lets people talk with experts in various fields for a reasonable price. Now, the good thing is that the experts charge for each consultation. It's essentially a platform where you get to share your experience in a certain field and get paid for it. And from what I know, the platform is pretty flexible when it comes to making money. That's because there is more than one method that you can use for earning money via Maven. So, let me explain each method properly. Method 1. Surveys. Firstly, you can fill out surveys. So apparently clients sometimes want answers to specific questions from more than one expert. It could be for research or any other personal reason, and Maven understands this. And for such clients, there's an option to create surveys and pay the experts to fill them out. For a 10 to 20 minute survey, you can get paid anywhere between $40 and $70. If you fill out at least 2 surveys, you can easily make 100 bucks within 100 minutes. Now moving on to the next method. Method 3. Consulting contracts. Now, this one's good in the long run. In fact, I'd say that it's the most fruitful way to earn money on Maven. Say a customer wants a consultant for a long project. For this, instead of hiring for a one-time task, they can sign a contract with you, and you can then provide the service to them for a longer period of time. You can negotiate your contract with the client yourself to get the best value for your services. Since these are long-term projects, your consultancy service can become a great money earner with the right clients and approach to the business. I personally like this method the most, but then there's another one for creative people. Method 4. Brainstorming workshops. So apparently, Maven also pays experts if they help with brainstorming sessions and workshops. For this, you'll have to attend meeting-like sessions with other consultants tackling a specific problem for a client. This happens when a client needs a collective consultation from different experts. And just like the other 3 methods, the pay for this method is subject to the kind of services you provide. But with a decent amount of experience under your belt, you can make $100 for less than 100 minutes of work. Maven has a lot of potential as a marketplace. If you have the right expertise, you can make way more than just $100 in 100 minutes. But wait, there is a key to success on Maven that must be known. And before I tell you that secret tip, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons because it helps out the channel massively. All right, let's get back to it. So apparently, when working on Maven, you have to have a good profile. This means you need to put a good time when creating your profile on the platform. Don't leave any space empty. Add as many details about your expertise and work as possible. Oh, and make sure you review your profile twice before you publish it. Your profile is going to be your portfolio, and that's what will attract customers. So, a well-made profile will be matched with more customers, equaling more revenue and work. Be honest about everything, from your qualifications to relevant work experience. If you do this one thing right, I can assure you that Maven will become one of the best platforms for you to earn good bucks. And here's a pro tip. Know the value of your work and set the prices wisely. This will help you in the long run. Okay, that was all about Maven, but that's not the only way to earn those $100 in 100 minutes. Stick around because I'm now going to tell you about 3 more ways of earning those extra bucks. Become a loan signing agent. So for starters, you can become a loan signing agent. Most of you must be wondering, what's that even? Well, a loan signing agent helps borrowers in the final steps of their loan taking steps. It's essentially a good friend who makes sure you're not doing things wrong when taking out a loan. The agent's job is to make sure that all the documents are in order. Not only that, but they also ensure that no fraud is committed. And in exchange, they get a commission or a fee for their service, which can be a lot in some cases. Honestly, almost anyone can be a loan signing agent since there aren't any special skill requirements for being one. However, you need to be a notary public for this work. To become a notary public, you simply need a degree or certification in a relevant field like political science or criminal justice. Next, you need to apply to be licensed. Once done, you will be trained and tested for the job. Then it is just a screening process before you can start earning money. The best part is you can work on your terms. But what about the people who don't have relevant qualifications? Well, I've got something for you guys too. Take part in research. Basically, you can join a study and be a guinea pig for them. Don't worry, it's not something dangerous. Usually, it's just trying out a product and sharing your observations on it with the researchers. And for just that hour or so of work, you will get paid a good sum. Researchers and studies usually pay anywhere between $100 to $200 per hour. That's nice, right? Plus, in some cases, you get extra benefits such as a free meal or gifts. But you have to pick the right studies. There are several websites out there to help you do that. Some of the platforms you can try are Pinecone Research, User Interviews, Engage Studies, and Northwestern University Department of Psychology. Now, moving on to the last one. Make money on constant content. This one will work for literally anyone who's good at writing content. Apparently, constant-content.com allows you to earn good bucks by selling written content here. The website lets you upload your article or blog, and when it sells, you get paid for it. The good thing is the articles can easily sell for anywhere between $50 to $100. So making good money here won't be an issue, especially when there's AI to help you out. You can have an article ready and uploaded for sale on Constant Cash in less than an hour. ChatGPT can help with writing the articles, and then Quillbot can do the rewriting. All you need to do is to review and edit the content to keep up the quality. All this will take less than 100 minutes, and you can then sell the article for as much as $100 on Constant Content. Well, that's about it. Let me know in the comments which one of these money-making methods is your favorite. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this as well. Until next time, goodbye!